Festa Major in Barberà del Vallès. And here we have the Castellers de Sabadell building Torre de Fet, human tower of 7 levels, 2 people per level. Of the other teams in the square, which are the Burgasses de Vilanova and Osmoita Torra from Torre d'Ambarra. Taking slightly for there it is crown. Very well done. Now bring this down in a calm way, please. Very well done, Castellers de Sabadell. So we are in Barberà del Vallès, Catalonia, 2010.